Hi everybody, it's Dr. Brian Prax, Chronic Care, Charlottesville, and the message today is about the drugs that are most commonly prescribed for this condition called peripheral neuropathy. And those drugs are known as Neurontin, aka gabapentin, and its newest sibling, I guess you could say, or the newest member of the family called Lyrica. This is a study done in Stanford Medicine. You've probably heard of those guys. Researchers, an MD, he's also a PhD, and he's got a host of other scientists who did this study. October 8th, 2009, so it's not even an old study, but these are anti-seizure medications that were created, and they found that it helped with things like numbing your pain from peripheral neuropathy. They're not even FDA approved for anything other than seizures, and they're definitely not FDA approved for peripheral neuropathy. And the reality is researchers didn't even really have any clue how it worked, but they just knew it helped to stop seizures, and for neuropathy patients it helped with them. Anyway, so this is straight from the main researcher, and a quote, I'm just going to quote him reading right here. He says, "We have solved the long-standing mystery of how this blockbuster drug acts," says Dr. Barnes. He's the MD, PhD, professor and chair of neurobiology. "The study shows that gabapentin halts the formation of new synapses." Synapses are the connections. In other words, they're connection from one nerve to another nerve. It halts the production of those, okay? He says, possibly explaining its therapeutic value in mitigating epileptic seizures and chronic pain. This insight, however, may lead physicians to reconsider the circumstances in which the drug should be prescribed. So here's the thing that we have to think about when taking gabapentin, when taking Lyrica, when taking Neurontin, all those things. We need to think about whether you really want to stop your brain from growing. So for years we said that, well, after your childhood you really don't grow many new nerves, but researchers have known for quite a while that that is totally not true. So that, I thought, was an interesting thing that we should think about. Adult neurons do form new synapses, and the Neurontin, the gabapentin, the Lyrica is wiping those out. It's killing those. It's stopping you from growing new brain. Just like growing new stomach cells, new skin cells, you want to keep reformulating these things. So the message of today is, instead of killing brain cells, instead of killing your body's ability to recreate and regenerate itself, why don't we look towards things natural? So I'll put the link to the study there. I'd love to hear your comments, and if you liked what you hear, hit the like button and let me know what sort of other topics you'd like to hear about. Until then, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, I would ask you to hit the thumbs up button to like it. You can share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and please comment below. I will read it and I will respond. Thank you and have a nice day.